Hello further math students. In this video we're going to go through an example of 5 median smoothing. Hopefully you've just watched the video or you have already tried a few examples of 3 median smoothing. It's a very similar process. We're just using groups of 5 points this time instead of groups of 3. As you'll see, like 3 median smoothing, it's something that we can do straight onto the graph, and it involves us taking clumps of 5 points at a time and finding the median of those 5 points. Again, looking for the median y values. So in this example, we have a time series plot where the time values along the x-axis are month numbers, 1 through to 12, and the y-axis, or the data on the y-axis is the number of calls received each month by a call center. All right, let's get stuck into it. So we'll just make the time series plot a little bit bigger. And again, I've got some animations here to try to make it really clear what's going on. So when we look at the first data point that we can plot, when you look at the first clump of 5 data points, you can see that the middle of those 5 data points is actually month number 3. Right, so the first value we can plot is the point above month number 3. We can't plot a point for month 1 or month 2. That's what happens in 5 median smoothing. You actually lose the first 2 data points, really. So we're looking at month number 3 first. And when we look at the 5 points we have and consider their y values, well, we've got a y value down here at like 342. Then the next one up is about 352, 355, 360, 374. Thinking of those in order from smallest to largest, the middle one, the middle median of 5 numbers will always be the third number along. So the third highest y value is the y value that we're going to plot. And in this case, that's 354-ish. All right, so that's the point that we're actually going to plot. It's actually the one that belongs to, or that lines up on the original data point. Moving along to the next clump of 5, right? So you can see we've got from month 2 through to month 6. These are our 5 new data points. We're going to be plotting the value for month 4, the smooth value. And again, we look carefully at the 5 points that we've got, and we're looking for which is the third highest y value. So I'd say the point above month 2 is the lowest, the point above month 6 is the next lowest, the point above month 3 is the third lowest, the third highest. It's the one in the middle, right? So the y value that we're plotting for point number 4 will actually have the same y value as point number 3. Right? And you can see that that point's being plotted there. Okay, we keep moving. Next group of 5, we've got points above month 3, month 4, month 5, month 6, month 7. Month 6 looks like it has the lowest data point. Month 3 has the next lowest data point. Month 4, this point here looks like it's the third highest because then month 7 is higher, month 5 is higher. So here's our median y value, and we're going to plot that value above month number 5. And so our smooth point goes here. Right, so it's probably a little bit trickier, this 5 median smoothing, because you've got more points to kind of consider at a time. But the process is really the same as 3 median smoothing, right? You're just lining up your group of points and trying to find the median y value every time. So as we keep moving, looking now at month number 6, again, you're trying to find of that group of 5 points, so month 6 and the 2 points before it, the 2 points after it, of that group of 5 original data points, which one is the median? Which one's the third highest one? And you can see when you look at it carefully, lowest, second lowest, third lowest, or the middle one, it's the point above month number 8. So that's the y coordinate that we're going to plot. Right, but we're plotting it above month number 6. And so it goes there. Right, and we just keep cycling through this process with our groups of 5. There's the next lot. The third highest data point of that 5 looks like it's actually the point above month 7 itself, right? That looks like it's the third highest y coordinate. And so that's the point that we're going to plot. Next one's month number 8. Looking carefully at this group of 5 points, the middle, the third highest y coordinate looks like it's the point that is month number 8. Right, so that's the point that we're going to plot there. Next lot is centered around month number 9, and so we can see that the third highest, well, if we can count from bottom to top, this is the lowest, this is the next lowest, this is the third. So the y coordinate we're plotting here comes from month number 7. We're going to put it above month number 9 over there. All right, and there it goes. Finally, and you can see this is the final group of 5 that we can do. So month 10 is as far as we can go. Again, we go lowest, second lowest, third lowest. So month 9 is the one that's going to give us our y coordinate here, but we're plotting it above month 10. And so that's where we mark our point. As we said, can't go any further. We've run out of groups of 5, so that's as far as we can go with our smoothed values. Only thing that we can do now is connect the dots to draw our smoothed time series plot. And for this example, that's what our smooth time series plot looks like. And you can see that the fluctuations have been significantly reduced, and it's much more easy to see that there's an overall sort of increasing trend going on throughout this time series plot. So that's 5 median smoothing.